everyone, my name is Megan Caves and today I'm going to be making macarons for the very first time. As you may or may not know, macarons are supposedly very, very difficult to make. I have a little bit of a background in cooking, and when I say background, I mean that I have done some cooking and some baking, and all things considered, when it comes to making desserts, I'm still pretty new. So I have a little bit of basic knowledge just based on my own home cook experience, but we'll see if that actually translates. So today I'm using a recipe from sallysbakingaddiction.com. You can see that recipe in the link below, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, so let's get started. Let's see how this goes. We are going to blend in this, I guess not really blending, but it's mixing in a food processor. First we must plug it in. Exactly what I wanted to do. Okay, now I'm going to hope that we've done this well enough, so that part is done. I have loaded my egg whites into my KitchenAid mixer. We'll see how this goes. Those are Sifis. Yeah. Okay, that wasn't 3 minutes, but you know what? Thumbs up. I'm going to double check the recipe and make sure that's correct. Fingers crossed that's not too much. This will be interesting.
It's definitely becoming glossy. Smooth, I'm not so sure about.
All right, this is Zuko, everyone. Piping bag. To be entirely honest, I don't know the size of this. We're gonna prepare this piping bag. Okay, I have done this the wrong direction. Piping bag ready.
I did not choose to do this in a very smart way. Okay, this is my first time getting to see what macaron batter tastes like though.
Pretty good. This is a pretty gritty batter, which makes me think this did not work right. Here goes nothing.
So that one looks a little too big. This one looks ridiculous. Those are too close together. Clearly these are spreading out way too much. But what can you do?
Why is it so gritty? This does not look right. But now we're going to let these giant puddles of macaroons sit for 45 minutes. I'm gonna just go with the air bubbles. Okay, we have let our very lovely macaron batter sit for about 45 minutes. So now we're going to try baking them. So as you can see, this is, I assume, not what you want your batter to look like at this point. It has lots of bubbles. I have no idea if macarons rise. Otherwise, if they don't, we're gonna have some very flat little macarons. So without further ado, let's put this one in first, since it's the biggest and has this lovely glob of macaron. Here we go. Woo. Time to rotate. Ooh! Oh my god! They're actually, look at this, they're puffing up. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna rotate. Rotate it. This is the first set coming out of the oven. Okay. You know, all things considered, not too bad. They're a little big. This one cracked. Oop, my hand is getting hot. So, I forgot to set a timer on the last batch. So we're gonna assume they're done. Ta-da! Now I let them cool and then fill them, and we have macarons. Okay, so here we are. Here's how my little blob discs of macarons turned out. This is not cooked all the way through. Like, nothing in here is correct. I mean, this is like sticky, so that is not what you want. So I'm just gonna put a little Nutella on, wait, where'd my other one go? I'm just gonna do a little bit. Put it together, and you have a macaron. The most ridiculous macaron ever. Okay, here we go. Woo! That is very chewy. I mean, it's not bad, but it's clearly not a correct macaron. Not bad for a first attempt. For now, this is what we did. So, thank you guys for doing this test with me. This is my first video like this as well. So more to come. So if you enjoyed what you saw, please like, subscribe, all the fun things that you can do. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Thanks. Bye.